Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto guide. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer Bitcoin from Gemini to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching platforms, this step-by-step process will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, before you start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Gemini and Coinbase. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. You'll also need some Bitcoin in your Gemini wallet to transfer. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to your dashboard and navigate to the Bitcoin section in your wallet. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to move. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check your details. Step 3. You'll need the receiving address from Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account, go to your Bitcoin wallet, and select Receive. Copy the wallet address carefully, it's a long string of letters and numbers. Step 4. Back in Gemini, paste the Coinbase address into the withdrawal form. Add any required notes or tags if prompted, then review the transaction details like fees and estimated time. Step 5. Hit Confirm. Gemini might ask for two-factor authentication, 2FA, to verify it's really you. Once approved, your Bitcoin will be sent to the blockchain. Step 6. Keep an eye on the transaction. Use a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com to track its status. Transfers usually take 10 to 60 minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. A quick tip. Always check for transaction fees on both platforms to avoid surprises, and never share your wallet addresses publicly. Crypto security is key. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way to Coinbase. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.